This is an emergency alert notification for the Metro Detroit area. A Possessor attack is currently in progress. All Possessor and non-Possessor civilians, please remain in your homes. A call for the Supreme Trinity has been issued. Stay tuned for further updates.
Important instructions will follow. This is not a test.
A curfew has been issued for Detroit and surrounding suburbs from 7 p.m. tonight until midnight. A Possessor attack in the Detroit area has been confirmed. For your safety, please remain indoors. This alert is brought to you by the Michigan Authority Message Center. A Possessor of laser power and 4 accomplices have attacked an area of downtown Detroit. The Supreme Trinity has responded to this attack. We advise any similar Possessor vigilantes to remain uninvolved, as the situation will likely be resolved in the next few hours. Curfew is still in effect.